Okay, so this time we're going to be making the side window panel, glass window panel. Let's take that and that. We're going to take that line. From here, we're going to take we take the line below. Well, before that, where G exists and push it a bit inside to give it a depth. And GZ. There we go. So we're gonna get one more middle edge loop like that, and which is a copy and make it a separate object. There we go. Let's take both of those, which is join them. Control J. There we go. Now let's go to isolation mode, and we just get rid of the extra vertices that we don't need. We can just get rid of two from over there on the front side. Space them. Space them. We're gonna give it a four edge loops, that, and there. Nice. Let's move this to the G-axis a bit. We have to fluff it up a bit to make it match with the door. Now SX skew it outside on the x-axis. Cool. Now we're gonna do the, excuse me. Now we're gonna do the same thing over on the uh, other three edges. This has to go a little bit deeper. Now let's go to the active element. Now it's S. Now E G Y. There we go. Simple. Nice. Now if we come to the front side, is there any gap over there? Let's see. It doesn't look like, but oh god. So now we're just gonna space them properly. There we go. Now A, EX, and just extrude it inside. Now the subdivision and the border thing, and then we're done with the side window.